Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Gold market for a third straight day on Thursday as the dollar weighed on the eve of the Federal Reserve annual gathering in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, where central bank chief Jerome Powell was expected to deliver a pivotal speech on rate hike expectations. The benchmark gold futures contract on New York's comes December settled at 1 per ounce of up 9 or 6% in two prior sessions. December gold rose almost 9%. The spot price of bullion, more closely followed than futures by some traders, was at 1 by at up 4% on the day. Like futures, spot gold was also up some 9% over two previous sessions. Gold got a limited boost as the dollar softened ahead of Fed Chair, Chair Powell's speech at Jackson Hole, and Mayo analysts at online trading platform Onda said in a commentary. Another round of us economic data and Fed speak supported the idea that the Fed will remain aggressive tightening policy until inflation is under control. Investors want to see if Fed Chair Powell locks the Fed in for another massive 75 basis point rate increase in September, but he will likely stick to the data dependency script and leave it up to the September 13 inflation report. The dollar index, which pits the US currency against the euro and five other measures, dipped by 2%. A rate hike in principle is bearish for gold, regardless of whether it's modest or aggressive, but the yellow metal has been able to withstand the worst of selling pressure during this year's Fed rate hikes due to its standing as an inflation hedge. The Fed has carried out four rate hikes since March, bring, bringing key lending rate from nearly zero to as high as 25% by July. Inflation, as measured by the Consumer Price Index or CPI, however, remains at more than four times the central bank's annual target of 2%. The CPI grew at 8% during the year to July. Prior to that, the CPI expanded at its four decades, growing 9% during the year to June. Data supportive of more aggressive Fed action on Thursday come in the form of the Commerce Department's latest reading on the U.S. economy for the second quarter. The latest estimate for U.S. gross domestic product in the second quarter of 2022 has improved slightly to a negative 6% from a previously negative 9%. Even as the economy remained in a recession, the Commerce Department said. There are the estimates released altogether on the GDP for each quarter. In the first quarter, the US economy contracted by 16% in the first quarter of 2022. Conventionally, two straight quarters of GDP decline place an economy in a recession. Ukraine said its Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant was disconnected from the Ukrainian grid for the first time ever in Thursday, feeling fearful of a possible mishap at Europe's largest nuclear facility that is now under Russia's control. Ukraine's state nuclear company Energoatom said fires in the ice pits of a coal power station near the Zaporizhzhia Reactor complex interfered with the power supply to the station's two less working reactors, disconnecting them from the network. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.